An Italian cabaret puppetry performance was arranged in the metropolis Karachi by the Dynamic Consul General of Italy, Danilo Giurdanella, to celebrate the 24th edition of the Week of Italian Language in the World. This year's theme is Italian Language and Book, the world between the lines. According to 2024 data, 85 million people speak Italian, including 67 million native speakers. It is the most studied language in the world for culture and tourism. Consul General of Italy, Danilo Giurdanella, commenting on the event, stated,
It's a very important show, and it underlines the engagement that we have for teaching of Italian language and Italian culture in Karachi. That has a very long tradition that is taught in universities today, and we're working to improve it. At the same time, I would like to say this is also sort of cultural exchange, because Urdu language is also taught in Italy in 3 universities, language and literature and culture. So we want to bring a little bit of Italy to Pakistan a little bit more.
Puppeteer Pamela, talking to News Pakistan TV,
It's a cabaret of puppet, and it's only visual theater, so it's just like music with mime, and we are very excited to perform for the first time in Pakistan. Started to study theater when I was 14 years in my city. It's a very little city in the south of Italy. The name is Monopoli, and I started there to study like theater with a company. But after I discovered the puppet in one school in Bari, the name is Casa di Pulcinella, and then I start to study puppet, and I get like a very enjoy to also to perform visual theater with the puppet, because I try to perform everywhere in the world.
about her puppets, Pamela said,
I made by myself.
French puppeteer Frank, while informing about his collaboration with Nina Theatre, informed.
We met 2 years ago in a festival, and sometimes we do collaborate together to do a show. I do the beginning of the show from her, and she do the show, or we do project together, and sometimes we're traveling together. And here we are now in Pakistan, and for me it's the first time, and it's great. It's enjoy it.
He said he was from Brittany but lived in Amsterdam.
Actually, I'm part from France in Bretagne, but actually I live in Amsterdam, Netherlands. This gentleman is, we call him Dr. Mabulet, alias Mr. Love. I have an act, normally longer than now, and it's about love. It's a doctor giving love to the world, to people, in a funny way and crazy way. And now I am doing the entrance for the kids and introducing the show from Nina Theatre.
Consul General Danilo Giurdanella welcomed students and teachers from different schools of the port city. The Italian Consulate General presented all the students a special publication, 1,000 Wonders by Geronimo Stilton, the famous children's character who goes to Italy to explore the 1,000 wonders that Italy boasts of, with its rich culture, history and tradition. Consul General of Italy in Karachi, Danilo Giurdanella, organized a performance by Nina Theatre for the patients and families of the staff of National Institute of Child Health, a 500-bed public sector pediatric hospital serving 1 million patients annually.